Hello, so today we're going to be unboxing a new fragrance from Carolina Herrera, and it's from the Good Girl line. I have the original, and I have pretty, and I have the Very Good Girl. Those are my okay. I'm looking at the box. It's pretty pretty. Those are my favorite. The Good Girl, Very Good Girl is my favorite one. That's the one in the red bottle, and I saw the purple one going around on the internet, and I said, let me just order it directly from the website and just unbox it together. So I did ask for the signature gift wrappings. Oh, look, these are reusable. Okay, I'm not gonna tear that off there. Yes. And you get 2 deluxe samples. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay, and this is the receipt. Get 2 deluxe samples and 2 regular samples, and this is it. Okay, so the one that I saw circulating came in a regular box, but this is in its own special box, like a Barbie doll. It's called the Good Girl Carolina Herrera Dazzling Garden, and I did pick up a hair mist for the original, and these are the original samples. No, the regular samples. This one, and these 2, and these are the deluxe samples. The 212 VIP Rose, I guess. Oh, look. Wow. Okay, this has that. I got some on my hand. Whatever. And I believe this is a lippy. Yes, it's the lipstick. I guess this is just a thing for the bottom of the box to cushion it. Okay. Right. So this is a floral fragrance, and the top notes are almond. Well, according to Frank Grantica, but the website it's Sambac, Jasmine, crystal tuberose, velvet almond, tonka bean, and coffee notes. Actually, tonka bean, cacao, tonka bean, coffee, tonka bean, cocoa, and coffee. And okay, well, let's see how she goes. Okay, sprayer's good. So first impression, you do get some of the original DNA from the Good Girl line. But I do get the Jasmine. Ooh. Okay, so it's been a few moments, and I still get the Jasmine and the tuberose, and the coffee, chocolate, and tonka bean is starting to come through. And this is very nice. Now, do you need this? Maybe. Look at the bottle. Look at it. Look at it. So pretty. Now, when I ordered this, I only had this one size, which is the larger size. I think this is 100 ml. This is 80 ml. So this is the 80 ml bottle. So it only has this one size, but it's very nice. So right now it's been about 7 or 10 minutes since I sprayed this, and it still smells good, y'all. Like I said, if you like the original and you just want a floral one, this is a good one. I'm waiting for more of the coffee, the chocolate, and the coffee to come through. Not coffee, the tonka bean The tonka bean, the coffee, and the chocolate to come through. Because right now, I'm still getting jasmine. I'm getting that, but I can smell it. So we'll see. So it's been about 20 minutes, and yes, I would definitely get this. It does have the original DNA of the Good Girl, but you know how the original Good Girl has 30,000 notes? This one is a more stripped down version. So if you like jasmine, if you love tuberose, if you like a little bit of almond, coffee, tonka bean, and coffee, I would definitely get this. This is my scent of the day. So if anything does change, I will leave a comment down below or change something in the description box. But this is a winner. But look at, Christmas is coming, you know, buy yourself something, get it for somebody else. And I'm mad that I had to record this because I just replayed back and my mic died. Anyway, so yes, I would definitely get this, and thanks for watching.
So for, experimentation purposes, and because I have the original, I sprayed the original Carolina, oh my god, why can't I say this woman's name? The original Good Girl on this hand and the new Dazzling Garden on this hand. And it's been about over an hour. And of course this one has like 7 notes in the dry down, which is amber, sandalwood, I want to say vanilla, praline, I think cocoa's in it in the dry down. And then this one, of course, is the tonka bean, the cocoa, and the coffee. So I'm getting all those notes, but I'm still getting like the jasmine. Not so much the tuberose, but the jasmine is still there. So yeah, this is definitely a floral fragrance, but it's not the same as the original. Like I said, they stripped it down so it has a few of the notes in the original. I think the only one that's not in the original would be actually all of them, because the original does have almond notes, it does have jasmine, but I don't think it has absolute jasmine. I think it has something else. But anyway, I'll get it. I mean, I have it, so I would recommend it. So yeah, final thoughts. All right, bye.